Overview of the new Musso, KGM Musso 2027 pickup truck. The 2027 Musso is the completely new generation of the Musso pickup truck. No longer simply the old Rexton Sports name, KGM has repositioned it as an independent pickup line with a powerful design and a distinctly modern pickup style. Launch date, expected to be available on the market from January 2026, previously launched in South Korea. Market orientation, directly competes with Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, Isuzu D-Max, and consideration for export to Europe, the US, and Australia. Engine and performance. The new Musso is equipped with powerful petrol and diesel engines to meet both work and off-road needs. Engines: Small Blue Diamond 1, 2.2L LET diesel, power 202 HP, torque 45.0 kgm, 6-speed Eisen automatic transmission, optional 2WD/4WD. Backhand index pointing right optimized for fuel efficiency, payload capacity, and off-road capability. Small Blue Diamond 2, 2.0L turbo petrol, power 217 HP, torque 38.7 kgm, Eisen 8 at transmission, optional 2WD/4WD. Backhand index pointing right for users prioritizing quick response and urban driving. Official dimensions of the 2027 Musso pickup truck version: internal combustion engine, diesel/petrol, currently being launched by KGM. Musso standard/dual cab. Overall length 5,095 mm. Width 1,950 mm. Height 1,840 to 1,870 mm, varies slightly by trim. Wheelbase 3,100 mm. Ground clearance 215 mm. These are the dimensions of the standard 5-meter length version, placing it in the mid-size pickup truck segment. Musso XLV Extended. Overall length 5,409 mm. Width 1,950 mm. Height 1,855 mm. Wheelbase 3,210 mm. The XLV version has a cargo bed that is approximately 300 mm longer, increasing cargo space. Chassis and suspension. Standard 5-link frame for high comfort and stability. Optional leaf spring suspension for the heavier carrying long deck version. Features a differential lock and clear sight ground view for off-road assistance. Towing capacity and payload. Heavy checkmark maximum towing load 3.0 tons, depending on configuration, comparable to competitors in the segment. Heavy checkmark diverse configurations, long deck, short deck, 2WD and 4WD options, suitable for both business and leisure. Design and features. Exterior: large grille, modern LED DRLs. 2 design styles: off-road rugged and sophisticated grand style. Backhand index pointing right clearly demonstrates a versatile approach from work to family. Interior: focus on modern amenities and functionality. Modern dashboard, features based on export market standards, no official details yet. Technology and safety. The 2027 Musso incorporates a number of driver assistance technologies. Heavy checkmark IACC, Intelligent Adaptive Cruise Control. Heavy checkmark Lane Departure Warning, Lane Keeping Assist, Blind Spot Warning, Rear Collision Warning. Heavy checkmark 360 degrees camera, depending on version. Heavy checkmark Speed Limit Warning. Heavy checkmark Smart Key plus multiple USB ports. Heavy checkmark Clear Sight Ground View for off-road assistance. Money bag price, preliminary reference. Pushpin estimated asking price in South Korea. Standard gasoline version 29 million won. Mid trim 35 million won. Top trim 39 million won.